Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can add a voiceover in Canva. So let's start. So what you have to do, simply you have to write Canva here. After writing the Canva you have to press enter. Now we are going to use some random templates, and then after that I'm going to tell you that how you can add a voice in those templates. So first of all I'm going to open this one. So you have to click on this. After clicking on this, as you can see, we have sound already added here. If you want to use this one, so that's good. If you want to change it, so what you have to do, you have to click on the delete button. Now the sound is removed. Now let me tell you that how you can add a new one. So you have to come on the elements. After elements you have to search for the audio, like any audio. I'm going to search for the audio. After audio you have to come here, and then you have to choose the audio category. After choosing the audio category, you are going to see a lot of audio versions are here. These are copyright free, but make sure you have a Canva Pro version. So I'm going to use this one. Like, you can also use this one and then play it. It looks much better. If you want to use this one, you can also use this one. If you want to use this one, these are the all sounds. You can use any sound which likes you, which looks better in your video. So these are the simple and easiest option. Now if you want to add your ones, you can do that also. Simply what you have to do, you have to come to the upload. After upload you have to click on the upload files. Now you have to select your audio file. Simply you have to scroll it. I have a audio file, a voiceover, so I'm going to add that one. So scroll it, let me find that. I think this one, yeah. Now click on the open. After clicking on the open, as you can see, my voiceover is uploading. Let it to be upload once, it will be ready, and then we are going to use it. So now as you can see, the voiceover is uploaded. I'm going to delete this old one. Click on it and delete button. Now simply what you have to do, you have to click, paste it here or drag it here. Now I'm going to run it. So as you can see, the voiceover is added. These are the both ways you can add audio files in your video. If you want add voiceover, then you have to upload that. If you want to add a music, then simply you have to come to the element. After element you have to search for the music. For example, I'm going to search for the audio, and then press the enter, and you have to select here audio category here. So I have repeated this option. I hope you understand these both options, and these both are going to be very useful for you guys. I hope you understand this video. So let me tell you what the last thing. Click on the share. Now click on the download. After download, make sure that you have selected the MP4 video. After making sure, simply you have to choose the video quality. If you want 1080 pixels, you can use this one. If you want to reduce it, you can also reduce it 720 pixels. So I'm going to make it 1080 pixels. So now simply you have to click on the download. After clicking on the download, your video process will be started shortly. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.